Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLUU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I didn't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can hold up here above the 465 mark. You can see on a couple different occasions today, the price tried to push down through 465, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong there. So yeah, if that can continue to happen, that would certainly make the chart look very, very powerful going forward. Now, if the price falls below there, by no means am I saying everything's ruined or anything like that. But again, yeah, that would just be the preferable area. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the price action's in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 465 would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are fully in control. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, in the short term, there's essentially been a little miniature channel that's formed. Top of the channel, you can see right here, right around 478, give or take a few pennies, but there's been multiple occasions where the bulls try to break above there and couldn't quite do it. So that's definitely going to be that near term, short term, whatever you want to call it, level of resistance. If the price can break up above there, then yeah, you're not looking at resistances until maybe a little minor one around 485, and then the big one up there at 495, which is where the party stopped today. Anyway you slice it though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today on the bulls part. So not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward, we shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.